Mistplay and CoinPop both let users earn rewards by playing mobile games, but the better choice depends on how you want to use a game rewards app. By the end, you'll know the main differences between Mistplay and CoinPop, what each app is designed for, and how to decide which one fits your needs. Mistplay is a game rewards app focused on discovering and playing mobile games through its platform. Users earn rewards by spending time with supported games and completing activities inside the app. CoinPop works in a similar way by rewarding users for trying and playing mobile games. The main idea is the same. Install games through the app, play them, and collect rewards based on your activity. The first difference is the overall experience. Mistplay is built around a dedicated gaming rewards system, so users who regularly explore new mobile games may prefer its layout and game discovery approach. CoinPop is also focused on game-based rewards, but users may find the experience different depending on the games available and how they prefer to track progress. The second difference is reward expectations. Neither app should be treated like a full-time income source. These platforms are designed for earning small rewards while doing something you already enjoy, such as playing mobile games. The best way to compare them is to test how each app feels on your own device. Check which games are available, how clearly progress is tracked, and whether the reward options match what you want. Before choosing one, review the app permissions, read recent user reviews, and make sure the app is available in your region. Availability and features can change over time. If you already spend time playing mobile games, a rewards app can add extra value to that activity. If you only download games for rewards and stop playing quickly, your experience may be different. The choice between Mistplay and CoinPop comes down to your preferred interface, available games, and which app gives you a better experience while you use it. The key points are simple. Mistplay and CoinPop both focus on rewarding mobile game activity. Rewards depend on your usage, and the better app is the one that matches the games and features you actually use. Try both apps if they are available to you, compare the experience, and keep the one that works better for your gaming habits. Subscribe for more app comparisons and fixes.